Hey, it's Binni here. It's CNY Day 2. Let me just do a bit of a review. In this video, I want to cover one stock, and that would be XXX said that it's going to release another AI model that's better than DeepSeek, better than ChatGPT. Alright, so that's caused a little bit of a stir in this XXX stock. And which would that be? Let me just complete the review first and I'll talk about this stock. Alright, so what do you do during the reunion dinner? So this was one of my trades. I just want to say that you don't need a lot of time to do trades. For example, this was a short in Euro Yen. It was a very obvious trade because price has been very nicely resisted by this down sloping trend line. And of course, there's this yellow or rather orange zone here. It said that it's still being resisted, right? So that's a resistance. So when price moved up, right, so that becomes a catchment zone for a sell. So remember, when we want to sell, we want to sell high. So every time it goes up, there is like a selling force here. Likewise, this time round, when it moved up, it landed in our catchment zone, which will be this predicted resistance level. And so I hit a short trade here and took out this trade at this particular profit. So nicely, it's set in a this support level here, and nicely see that it reached this level. So that's a very neat 100 pips to 120 pips. All right, so we don't need to spend a lot of time trading. All right, get the levels, you get the trend, and then hit it, and then know where you want to exit your trade. Right, just to bring out that there's one more trade that I'm looking at, and that would be gold. Okay, gold seemingly it's at this resistance level, so this is a strong resistance level here, but if we take a look into the H4, there seems to be a head and shoulder here. But again, all right, tech is predicting that this is a critical level. Unless that this level has been broken, we don't expect that gold to head down, and in fact that if it's not broken, this level would become a very strong support for another further upward move. Right, so we are going to observe this level here, 2735, to see what's the movement in gold. All right, now if you had watched my video, which would be on Nvidia just a day or 2 days ago, all right, I've included a link of the video at the top right. Then Nvidia, it's into this very important support level that is right now a resistance level. So same thing I mentioned in the video, that we are waiting for price to head up to the zone of a resistance level now, because this level had turned to become a resistance level, support become resistance level, and hit this. And right now price is moving down. Nvidia moved down about 4.1%. So same thing, still waiting to see whether it will move down lower. And if you want to know the lower level of support, which I'm waiting for, refer through the Nvidia video, which I've included in the top right corner. Okay, let's come to the stocks that I want to talk about. And as you know, the stock would be,
head to subscribepage.com/TorEbook, insert your email for instant access to our ebook on wash and rinse. You get a detailed walkthrough on how to use wash and rinse on stocks, indexes, gold and crypto. Click the testimonial tab too. Find out why our community loves the no-brainer 100% cashback Tor course. Alright, let's continue with the video now.
Baba. Okay, why is it that I want to talk about? Because of this news here, right? Baba said that before Chinese New Year, that means that on the New Year Eve, okay, imagine that, every Chinese is going on leave, going back home, and yet Baba is just announcing that, hey, they have a better AI model. Okay, what does that mean? I think that they are really either having a very successful model, or they want to catch the market when it's hot, right? With DeepSeek, right, causing a stir in the market, they also want to catch it when everything is still pumping hot right now. So what happened? Okay, so let's take a look at the chart, because I believe that in charts, because whatever that's shown in the chart, they are actual money that's being transacted in the market. So rather than it's an opinion, I look at charts because that's real action. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly chart here. So all the price levels are automatically predicted with tag, which is the system they have designed. So it provides a very good basis for trend, meaning it tells us when the trend has reversed or when important price level are being breached or being stay put, right? Okay, so what happened at this point here is that this downward trend is broken when price moved above. Okay, so that critical level to say that the downtrend here, as I mark here, right, has been broken, it's about 92. Okay, so this is the level here, right? So that's the 92 level. Now what happened was that price surged up and hit the resistance. So in fact that 117 is at that point of time the resistance, all right, and then it starts to decline. Now the question would be, number one, is price right now still bullish? Okay, the fact that it is above 92 again, which is trading now at 96, the answer is yes. Now second, has this downward trend, this one here, been broken? Meaning that has reversed, moved up. Now the fact that it is above another line here, meaning that if I switch that into the day chart, it is above this 91.55 level. So that's a resistance, and this resistance is it's the key level to tell us that whether this downward trend has reversed, right? The fact that yesterday, all right, rather 2 days ago, the fact that when Baba released the AI news, all right, Baba went up above the 91.55 level, which is this resistance level here. It means that this downward trend is right now reversing, and if there is a weak close, that would be even better news. So I'll be watching whether this level here, all right, has been broken successfully by having a weekly close. Again, that yesterday Baba went up to above 100 level, or that is a known resistance. But however, if price gets supported and if price can stay successfully above 91.55, then Baba has temporarily shown a higher high movement with this downward trend being broken. If you need to know more, remember to subscribe to my channel, because this is where I would do a constant update on what trades that I'm watching. Alright, thanks for watching this video.
These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. And for a limited time, we are offering a 100% full cashback offer on our course fee. That's right, you can learn our strategy risk-free. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.